Hey everyone, Leslie here. Did you know that your sander's not supposed to do this? Yeah, that's not supposed to happen. So today, with the help of a product from Stockroom Supply and the how-to videos from Ethan Answers, I'm gonna show you how to fix it. When you look at my sander here, you can see that the hooks are really worn off, specifically around the outside edge. There's still some grab in the middle, but it's not enough. I'm having a lot of trouble sanding. So rather than having to replace this entire piece in the sander, what I'm going to do is use this product from Stockroom Supply. It is basically a sticky Velcro patch that is going to go right on top to replace the Velcro that has worn away. To make the surface smooth to stick the new Velcro on top, we're going to have to remove the remaining hooks that are there. So to do that, I have some painter's tape here. I've just folded over so that I can stick a sandpaper disc onto it. And then I'm going to go ahead and start sanding it off just like this. So you can see it's starting to work there. I'm just gonna go ahead and keep going until that's really nice and smooth.
Here I was using a 120 grit sandpaper to try to get as many of the hooks off of the sander as possible. It worked pretty well, but I found that it was taking quite a bit of time, so I had to switch it up.
I'm actually gonna take a battery powered sander that I have and continue sanding off the hooks on this one to make sure that it's really nice and smooth. And because I have two sanders, it's a little bit easier to do it this way.
Here I switched to 80 grit sandpaper because I found the 120 wasn't aggressive enough to efficiently remove the remaining hooks. So the 80 grit here worked really well, and you can see that it was a lot faster.
All right, now you can see it's really nice and smooth. I'm just gonna clean it off to get it ready to put the Velcro patch on. Okay, so I've just put my sander lightly in my vise so that it's not gonna move around when I'm trying to apply the disc. I'm gonna go ahead and just use some isopropyl alcohol here, just a little bit, to go ahead and clean off the surface so that it is ready for the sticky patch.
Using alcohol is great for cleaning because it evaporates very quickly and dries much faster than using something like soap and water.
So that is really nice and clean. And now you can see here, the Velcro patch has a sticky backer. So what you're gonna wanna do is very carefully peel off the sticker and then line it up with the holes to place it onto your sander. Okay, so now I'm gonna peel off the sticky backer. So you can see it's really sticky. I'm gonna try not to touch it as much as possible. Okay, and then you only have one chance to do this, so you wanna make sure you line it up with your holes. Wow, first try, look at me go. And then you're gonna press it firmly down. So the adhesive that is on the back of this Velcro disc, it takes about 24 hours to cure. So sad. I can't sand with this for 24 hours. Boo-hoo. But yeah, once it's dry, it's gonna be perfect, like brand new. So if you want to check out a more detailed how-to video, or if you want to buy one of these Velcro discs, make sure you check out Ethan Answers and Stockroom Supply. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.